Okay, make sure you've written your equations for question or situation letter B on page 193. And then on page 194, it says math challenge. The following equation can be used to model the distance remaining on a route to a destination while traveling at a constant rate of speed. So this is distance, rate, and time. We'll be talking about that this week, but the rate is your miles per hour, your kilometers per hour, whatever. The distance is how far you have to go, so that's the kilometers and the miles, and then the time is the hour. So what does the value 125 represent in the equation? So this right here, this is the same thing as y equals mx plus b. Okay, here's my x, here's my rate, and then here's my b. So remember from class that b is where we start. Okay, 35. Look at where 35 is and look at where m is. M is your ROC. Okay, graph the equation on the coordinate plane and label the graph and provide a title. So you need a title here, and then this down here will be your hours. This over here will be your distance. Okay, then what does the point 0, 125 represent? Well, if 0 hours have passed, have you left your destination yet? You still have this amount of miles or kilometers or whatever to travel. Then here, this is my hour and this is my distance. This is my hours and this is my distance. If my distance is now 0, what does that mean? Distance is now 0. What does that mean? Okay? Reflection on my learning. Explain in words how to graph the equation y equals 2/3 x plus 7. Be as specific as possible in your description. So, in order to make a graph, you need to plot points. Okay? During this unit, you made use of many critical thinking traits. Which of the 9 critical thinking traits did you use most often? We can skip this question. The rest of these questions are pretty self-explanatory. For this one, plot points and match them in the tables. Okay? Here, what's your initial value? And your rate. Okay? The rest of the questions are pretty self-explanatory. Here, I would use delta y over delta x. What are you doing to your x to get your y? Whoops, down here. What are you doing to your x to get your y? You would think that's it's +4, but this is not always a +4 relationship. Then on the back, again, you're writing more equations, you're filling out a table, and you are graphing a line. Make sure to use a straight edge. So that's a ruler, a book, whatever. Okay? Good luck.